Hey everyone, so it's going to be another video on the IS300. This time it's something very important, especially for drifting. I purchased some Serialnine AK-49 drift knuckles, and shout out to Jack at Toge Factory for helping me out, and shout out to Travis for cutting these lower ball joints for me. My ball joints on the car are currently, or have some rips in them, so it's been unsafe to drive, and I really needed angle with my level of driving improving, and so yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully it goes smoothly. Okay, quick update. Started around 9:30. I think it's 10:30. Some of these nuts were kind of hard to get off, and finally got this off the lower ball joint. Now hopefully the ball joint kit I ordered off Amazon fits the outer tie rod and the lower ball joint. Get that off, change tie rod, put knuckle, put this back, all before 3 o'clock. I miss my friends. This sucks without you guys. Oh shit. Yeah! Alright, broke the outer tie rod off, and gonna screw the one Serialnine included in. Sick. Easy. Fuck, that scared me. And that's out. Oh yeah, you could see the rip I was getting concerned about. Oh shit, my bad. If it focuses, which it won't, but yeah, just trust me, there's a rip. Grease coming out. Didn't want to drift on these, let alone haven't really driven that much, probably once a week at most now. So out with the old, in with the new. Okay, so we got good news and bad news. Bad news is that I'm gonna have to trim more of the lower ball joint because it's contacting this. I just came from Harbor Freight, bought a grinder, some wheels, and good news is I have no plans anymore for today, so I could focus on doing this, so I don't have to rush and be finished at 3 anymore. I could finish it whenever, hopefully sometime today before the sun goes down. So plan is take this black off. I already torqued it. I hate myself, but grind it down so it doesn't contact, and paint over it, repeat. Cool. Cars, fun, yay. Grinded it down. You could kind of see, if it focuses, that the edges are all rounded off. And just gonna wait for it to cool down so I could paint over it and then install it. But I already tested it. There's no more contact. There's finally clearance, so we can move on.
6 hours later.
Not too sure where I left off because I was working on the car, but to give a brief rundown on what happened today, tried putting the knuckles in. Lower ball joint, put the nut on, torqued it down, good. Connected it to the outer tie rod, tried torquing it down, not good. Just spun freely, couldn't take it off. Eventually got it off with a nut splitter, and then the threads on the outer tie rod are now not there. So went to the store, bought another outer tie rod. I figured they were GS300 ones because they were longer, and I was correct. So got that, and then I just put everything back to stock because it's been officially 8 hours, and moved the car back, and now do it all over again next week. But this time I'll have RJ and maybe some other, I don't know, but I know RJ for sure is coming. Thank you, RJ. Thank you, Travis, for the advice as well. But I'm over it when I get into cars. Okay, bye.
1 week later.
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more.
I mean, considering that's probably
Like,
that's probably 10 degrees.
It feels like it's stiff. If it's maxed out, it's maxed out.
Wait, is this a handle or a microphone?
That's a mic.
Fuck! I was about to hold it.
Oh my god, you're about to break.
Wrong way. Straight. Alright, start turning to your right. Straight.
Woohoo! Told you!
All right.
Yeah. Cut. There you go. Keep going. You're good.
Yeah, good.
Watch the focus is like up. Like I'm not even fucking. I wasn't even recording the whole time. I was just holding this shit like I was recording. Does this zoom? Damn, it doesn't zoom. This is Travi. Damn. That's how you feel?
Random person. What the fuck are these two doing?
Where did he go? Did he turn right?
Just left.
Oh, he went to go drop you off before without you. Ooh, I'm gonna make him really nauseous. Actually.
Oh, that's fucked up.
What if this is how he recorded, bro? Oh, wait, there he is right there. What the fuck?
Where was he at?
I don't know. Cause like he just did like a full
Honk.
Hello? Who's this?
I don't know. I think he's talking to Jules. This fucking guy. This guy.
Oh, I thought he was gonna fucking. I'm not fucking you.
How'd you do?
Dude, I think it was loose for a long time. It feels solid. Feels good. I hit some bumps. I don't know if anything changed on the turning. I'm sure it did, but yeah. Thanks, Travis. You're the best. Oh, who records that way? This is not a TikTok. This is not a Tim Talk. You see this ugly gap? Me and RJ are gonna try to fix it.
For the 14th time.
Yeah, for a lot of time. And let's hope it works. Shout out Tim Talk. We learned it from you.
Oh, on TikTok?
Yeah, Tim Talk.
Oh yeah. That shit's crazy. Oh, check it out, check it out.
Oh yeah.
Like
You're
it
in
sticks to
action.
itself.
Oh. Dang, that's pretty good. Later. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Shout out Travis and RJ for helping. I didn't really film too much of the Serialnine knuckles because Travis was bodying the installment and I didn't want to get in his way, but thank you, Travis. Definitely couldn't have done it without you, and super quick. Knocked off a lot on the to-do list for this car, which I'm really happy about. And no more ball joint stuff that for now I gotta deal with. Glad everything worked out. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.